Hi, thank you for watching this clip on finding x and y intercepts for a circle. We're given an equation here. All it's saying x and y intercept, as you remember, the intercept are on the x-axis, that's y equal to 0. And on the y-intercept, those are x equal to 0. So all you have to do really just to substitute in there. Let's say when x equal to 0, so basically we're finding the y-intercepts here. Let's write it out, intercept. Okay, so we're going to put x equal to 0 back into equation. So we'll have y squared minus 12y minus 6 equal to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and solving those two y's. Okay. Here, unfortunately, we can't factor, so we're going to have to use quadratic equation. So a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 12, c is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus b, which is positive 12, plus minus b squared, which is 144, minus 4 times minus 6. Okay, so it's plus divided by 2a, which is really just a 2. Now all we have to do is simplify here. Y is equal to 12 plus minus, this is 24, so it's 168 divided by 2. 168 has a 2, or has a 4 in there actually. So it's 41. Okay, 41 unfortunately is not 42. 42 has 6 and 7. Unfortunately, there's nothing more we can do for 42. So let's write it out. Y is equal to 12 plus minus twice of radical root of 42 divided by 2. Okay. Now, if you see both of them has a factor of 2, you can simplify. Or if you don't see it, here's what you do on a test. Okay. Because I always get asked, well, how do you know this 2 divides goes in there or goes in there? The answer is goes in both. Okay, here's the reason. Because I'm pulling the 2 out of both of them. That's how I get to cancel them. So y is equal to 6 plus or minus radical 42. Okay, so going back there for our y-intercept, we have 2 points. We have when x equal to 0, 6 plus radical 42. That's 1 point. And 0, 6 minus radical 42. Okay, that's my y-intercept. We're going to repeat almost the same process for x-intercept. This is where we put a y equal to 0. This is relatively easy to remember. When y equal to 0, the points are actually on x-axis. Thus, intercept x-axis. All right, so when we do the y equal to 0, we have x squared minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Once again, can't factor, so a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 6. 4, so x is equal to 4 plus minus 16 minus plus 4 times 6, it was 24 divided by 2. And I have 4 plus minus radical of, let's say, 40. Move up a little bit. This is 2. So taking the factor of 2 out, 2 plus minus radical of 10, because 40 is really radical of 4, which is 2, and 10 divided by 2 cancels out. So our x-intercept are 2 points. I have 2 plus radical 10 and 0, that's 1 point, and 2 minus radical 10 and 0. All right? This is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Fact Channel on YouTube. Hope this clip has helped you. Have a confident day.